So here we are, and it's Scarlet Night, and we're in our Scarlet Night outfits, and we're just lingering around the halls and having a couple of Mai Tais and just enjoying some scenery until all the festivities go down later on this evening. And I thought this staircase was pretty cool, so I wanted to get some footage of it, but this is like kind of the area, like dead center of the boat, next 2 floors. I think the coffee place I went to every morning is on the top floor, and if you go to the bottom floor, it's like the shopping area. Tattoo parlor was down there. There's a couple of bars. Some I think there's always live band or something going on, but yeah, kind of a cool area to linger around and hang out at. And as we are moseying around, we found this little snack area where they had pretzels and hot dogs and nachos, and as we kept walking, we stumbled upon the arcade, which I didn't know was over here. And now the arcade was kind of cool. They had a lot of vintage games, real old school feel. Everything was free. There was no coins or nothing like that. You just go play the game. So for nostalgic reasons, if you're, I would say in your 30s or older, you can kind of dig this room and appreciate it. But anyway, at some point we made our way to, I believe, the Red Room, and Scarlet Night, if I wasn't mistaken, was indoor this cruise. I don't know if we ran into no, it wasn't a hurricane. I think it was a bad thunderstorm and lightning, and usually takes place by the main pool where the DJ is, and there's bars all over the place. But I think by probably around right before dinner time, I think they announced they're going to move it indoors. So this year, or this cruise, it was in the Red Room. And the Red Room had multiple floors, and I think I got some footage of both floors. It was a good time, but I'm not going to lie. It was a little claustrophobic in there, and COVID is still on the rise.
Smash on now, speed up, gas
But yeah, so after getting some footage, dancing a little bit, having a drink or two, it was time to get out of there, get some fresh air. And it was about time to call it a night, grab the midnight snack and hit the room and rest up for the next day.